Assalamualaikum and good day. It's me again, Miss Huda. For this recorded video, we're going to continue with center of gravity, example number 2. Determine the position of the centroid of the wall as shown in the figure from point P. The wall is quite complex kat sini and the question already specified where is the reference point, which is the point P here. So, when you're going to solve this kind of problem, definitely you have to use the reference point given and draw the y-axis dan x-axis that intersect at point P. Before that, kita perlu bahagikan dulu this wall into a few sections sebab we might not calculate objek ni secara keseluruhan terus dapat sebab objek ni agak kompleks. You can divide it. Maybe you put it as 1. Next, you boleh bahagikan ini menjadi 2. Or maybe saya pakai different color. Yes, this is number 2. Then we have another rectangle, number 3. And quarter circle, number 4. And we have another one which is the semicircle here. Yang ditolak daripada area ni sebab dia tak termasuk dalam this wall. Tapi you kena kira sebab you need to minus this shape So this is number 5. Mari kita kira. So ini yang saya dah bagikan two sections A, B, C, D, E. You have all the sections which is A, B, C, D and E. You note dekat tepi tu which one yang you have to tambah and which one you have to minus Because this one you have to minus section E sebab wall ni hollow dekat section E. Tak ada area di sini. That's why you kena minus. Yang lain semua adalah tambah We can calculate the area for A first. So A kat sini adalah triangle. And we know that the formula for area untuk triangle adalah 1/2 darab B darab H. So 1/2 darab 3 meter darab 1.5 meter. You akan dapat value-nya macam ini. And to get the x bar, it should be the distance from the centroid of the section of A to the x-axis. So x-axisnya di bawah ini yang cross dekat point P, right? So you nakkan dari centroidnya ke bawah ni. So berapa jaraknya? From the formula yang kita belajar untuk triangle, this is right triangle kan jenisnya. So it should be 1/3 darab dengan H. So 1/3 darab dengan 1.5. And to get to x-axis, you have to add another 5 meter here. Therefore, you can dapat value as what shown in the table. For y bar, it should be the distance from the centroid of A to y-axis. So, in this case, it should be this distance. Right? So, from the formula, it should be 1/3 times with B. So, the B is 3 meter. Therefore, 1/3 times 3 meter. It is equal to 1 meter. For AX bar and AY bar, just simply times the area with X bar and area with Y bar. Next section, B. For B, we have a rectangle. For this rectangle, the area will be 3 meter, the B, and H is 5 meter. Therefore, B times H equal to 3 meter times 5 meter equal to 15 meter square. And for X bar, it is from the centroid of the section to the x-axis. Okay, jadi section kita sekarang ni section B. So distance from centroid of B to x-axis. Jadi berapa value ini? So you know that it should be half of the height of the rectangle. It is 1/2 times 5 meter. Yeah? You will get 2.5 meter. For y bar, it is the distance from the centroid of point B to y-axis. So what you need is this value. So for rectangle, the distance would be setengah darab dengan 3 meter. It is 1.5 meter. And get the AX bar and AY bar by multiplying the area with the X bar and multiplying the area with the Y bar. For the next section, section C. So section C is a rectangle. The area would be B times H, which is 2 meter times with 3 meter. It is equal to 6 meter. For X bar, it should be the distance from the centroid of section C to the X bar. Therefore, it is 3 meter divided with 2. You will get 1.5 meter. For Y bar, it is the distance from the centroid to the y-axis. Half of the B of the section C, which is setengah darab 2 meter. And you have to plus with another distance here, which is 3 meter. Sebab you nakkan distance ke y-axis. 1/2 times 2 meter plus 3 meter. Ataupun sama je lah kalau macam ni saya tulis 2 meter bagi 2. It is 1/2 times 2 meter. Sama saja. Plus dengan 3 meter. It is equal to 4 meter. You can get the value of AX bar and AY bar by multiplying the area with the X bar and Y bar respectively. For the fourth section here, section D, we have a quarter circle. To get the area, there is a formula untuk quarter circle. So kalau you tahu the whole circle adalah pi r square, semicircle pi r square bahagi 2, sebab separuh kan. So kalau quarter circle, it is pi r square bahagi dengan 4. Sebab 1 bulatan bahagi 4. Dapatlah quarter sahaja. So that it will be the area for quarter circle. So pi darab dengan the radius 3 meter, power of 2 and divide with 4. You will get this value. And for X bar and Y bar, untuk quarter circle, formulanya sama. Which is 4R divide with 3 pi. You boleh refer pada formula yang saya bagi in your handout. For X bar, it should be the distance to the x-axis. Therefore, to get this value, formulanya adalah 4R bagi dengan 3 pi. So, masukkan saja the radius dalam the formula. So, radius dia 3 meter bagi dengan 3 pi, you will get 1.273. For Y bar, it would be the distance from the centroid to the y-axis. So, kalau you kira daripada centroid ni nak ke hujung quarter circle tu, formulanya sama, pi r bahagi 3 pi. Okay, sampai sini. Right. And you have another balance of 2 meter and another 3 meter here. So, ini adalah 5 meter. So, 4 times with the radius, which is 3 meter, bagi dengan 3 pi, campur dengan 5 meter to get to y. You will get 6.273. For ax bar and ay bar, just simply multiply the area with the x bar and y bar respectively. So that's for the area yang you kena tambah. And you have to remember, you have another area yang you have to minus from the area of the wall. Sebab tak termasuk that semicircle section E ini. For this semicircle, the area will be pi r square bahagi dengan 2. Maksudnya satu circle, the area dia pi r power of 2. Separuh circle ialah pi r square bahagi dengan 2. So radius will be 2 meter, then pi times 2 meter square bahagi dengan 2. This will be the area. And to get the x bar, it will be from the centroid of this semicircle to x axis, sebab ni adalah x bar. Nak ke x axis lah. What actually the value here? So formula juga boleh refer to handout. It is sama dengan quarter circle tadi. 4r divided with 3 pi. 4 times the radius 2 meter bahagi dengan 3 pi. Equal to 0.849 meter. For y bar, it is from the centroid of section E to the y axis. So exactly kat sini kita boleh nampak dah daripada gambar ni dia adalah 2 meter. Right? Because the diameter of this semicircle adalah 4 meter. So, kalau sini 2 meter, then should be sampai sini 2 meter. And di sini ada balance another 1 meter. So the distance to y-axis adalah 3 meter. Get the ax bar and ay bar by multiplying the area with ax, with x bar and with y bar respectively. Then you can sum the area, total up the ax bar and ay bar. Remember to minus this section. Meaning, bila you kira area, 2.25 plus 15 plus 6 plus 7.069 minus 6.283. When you calculate for ax bar, 12.375 plus 37.5 plus 9 plus 8.999 minus 5.334. For ay bar, 2.25 plus 22.5 plus 24 plus 44.344 minus 18.849. Dan you akan dapat semua value total di bawah. Dan kita boleh kira the x bar and y bar. Get the value of x bar here, total ax bar. Get the value of total ax bar here using formula ini. 6 6.54 meters cube. That is the total area X bar, and bahagi dengan total area which is 24.036. It is 2.602 meter from x-axis. And for y bar, 74.245, which is the total of AY bar bahagi dengan total area 24.036. You will get 3.089 meter from y-axis. Kita boleh draw dalam kita punya gambar di sini to get the idea where exactly the X bar and the Y bar. Draw the axis first. Sebab ini adalah kita punya reference line ya. Get the value. X bar equal to 2.602 meter and Y bar equal to 3.089 meter. Dan kita boleh tandalah dekat mana actually the centroid. So for X bar it is 2.602 meter. So should be dia below 3 ni lah ya. So mungkin dia berada dekat sini. Saya buat line senang lagi kita nampak. Okay. Should be anywhere dekat this line untuk X bar. And untuk Y bar it is 3.089 meter. Which means that, okay, dia mesti lepas dari 3 meter ini. Okay, dia mesti lebih daripada 3 meter ni ya. So, dia mungkin sikit saja lebihan dia. Okay, perhaps at this. Right? So, di sini. X bar dia adalah 2.602 meter. And for Y bar, it is 3.089 meter. This is example number 2. Right, so itu saja. Thank you. Bye.